Hello everyone and welcome to What After Dentistry. Now in today's video, we are going to talk about the second most opted career option after BDS, and that is setting up your dental practice. Before you deep dive into setting your clinic, buying instruments or equipments required to run your clinic, it is very important that you plan for your dental clinic in a step-by-step manner. And so, in today's video, we will be giving you a step-by-step guide on how you can start planning for your dental clinic. Now, before I move into the video, if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe, and if you're watching this video on Facebook or LinkedIn, then please like our page because we post regularly about weekend workshops, career options, industry news, facts, and much more. Now, moving ahead, I would first like to thank Dr. Akash Maheshwari, a practicing dentist in Mathura and a good friend of mine who has helped me to define the content for today's video. All his clinic details are mentioned in the description box below, so if you want to check it out, please do. So without further ado, let's get started with the steps. Step 1. Gauge your confidence level. Now, it is very important that you're fully confident when you're starting your own clinic, and hence you need to analyze the overall confidence within you in terms of running your dental clinic independently, acquiring few business skills like finance and accounting or marketing, and most importantly, handling patients. Always remember, your patients are your bread and butter, and hence it is your complete responsibility that you take care of them with utmost care and patience without demanding anything in return from them. Remember the Hippocratic oath we take in the first year? Never forget that. So even if 1% you feel that you need good exposure in handling patients and treating them correctly, then please do not hesitate to work under someone to get good hands-on skill. Step 2. Plan your budget. Now this can range from 3 to 4 lakhs up to 8 to 10 lakhs, and it totally depends on your way of setting up the clinic. This involves everything starting from rent, equipments, instruments, furniture, and even your team. So if you are low on budget, you need to think out where all you can save. For example, if you're just starting out, don't invest so much in clinic design or setting up a hi-fi furniture or even hiring an assistant. So these are few ways by which you can save on your budget. The only recommendation that we would like to give you is that you need to invest in a good dental chair, because this is something that you won't be changing for the next 15 to 20 years. Step 3. Plan your location. This is very integral part of your dental clinic planning, as the patient inflow will depend on your location. For example, if you're setting up your clinic in some residential area, the patient inflow will be less as compared to setting up the clinic in some market area or maybe in a high moving street. Another important factor to look for is this parking space. If you get a parking space along with your clinic area or the location, then it's really good, and especially if you're setting up your clinic in a posh area or maybe in the city. The ideal location according to us is that you set up your clinic in some semi-urban area or a little remote area, because the patient inflow will be very high in such kind of areas. Secondly, the distance between your dental clinic and the next dental clinic should be approximately 2.5 to 3 kilometers. And if you get the parking space in such a location, then it's just like icing on the cake. Step 4. Look for a minimum of 250 to 300 square feet of the clinic space. Now when you're finally deciding your clinic space along with the location, you should have minimum of 250 to 300 square feet of area, because you need to properly plan your waiting area, your reception area, your working space, your treatment space, your lab, and your sterilization area. And hence, As per the guidelines, you need to have at least 250 to 300 square feet of your clinic space. Step 5. Plan your clinic design. Now this should be in line with your budget in hand. So if you're low on budget, you should go minimal on design and furniture. Unless and until you're setting up your clinic in some posh area, you actually do not require a very hi-fi design and furniture. With all this being said, always remember, never clutter your clinic with furniture. Instead, have a good amount of free space. The more free space you have, the more hygienic clinic looks. So these are the first 5 steps in planning your dental clinic. And I hope that this information will help you to take those baby steps in building your own clinic and your brand. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you're watching this video on LinkedIn or Facebook, then please like our page to follow all the updates. I will see you in the next video where we will be listing out the next 5 steps in branding your dental clinic. Until then, bye and good luck.